My name is Bridget McGrath from MyAIOffice.com, and today we're going to learn the basics of Microsoft Outlook. First, we want to open up Outlook. Now, Outlook has several different embedded programs within it. The main application is the mail application, but there's also an address book, there are notes, there's a calendar, journal options. So there are several options within Outlook. All of your options that you want to find are handy here on the left-hand side. So if we wanted to click on calendar and see all of our embedded calendars here, all we do is click on the option on the left-hand side. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to send an email. All we would do is click on the new email. Now, since we have the embedded address book, it's going to look for the email address from the address book as soon as we address the mail. Mine already pulled up the contact from my address book and it completed the email address for me. Always include a subject line because that's what the person is going to see when they review your email. After you've completed the body of your email, all you have to do is click on send. Now you'll see here that I have a signature. All you would do is go to File and Options, and here in the Mail settings are your signature options. You can have several different signatures for different companies, or if you just want to auto-complete the bodies of the text that you always send. My name is Bridget McGrath from MyAIOffice.com, and you've just seen the basics of Microsoft Outlook.